Best way is if you are not suffering from cancer, the best way is to avoid it. You can avoid it by resorting to your natural lifestyle and natural diet. Of course, not eating the packaged food, the food full of preservatives, soft drinks, cold drinks, and mixing the food hot and cold. Late night sleep, because sleep is also very important to keep your body healthy.
Okay.
There is a melatonin which comes out of the brain during the night only, and repairs all the cells, just like a night watchman coming out in the night only and checks everything is okay. So this melatonin is very good for it natural, which comes from the brain. So regular sleep, regular diet habits, regularity in life, discipline in life, in moral values. This is what we mentioned in Ayurveda. Regularity in moral values and everything. It's very important to prevent dreadful diseases. And now about the treatment.
Okay.
If someone suffers from the cancer, then what to do? Radiotherapy, chemotherapy, they are all already there, but they cause a lot of problem. Sometimes even more than the cancer. So radiotherapy, chemotherapies are okay, but sometimes they put a lot of burden on the body's system, that it is difficult to know whether cancer is a
cause of death
problem or that side effects are the problems. Let's have a view from this side also, because it's a beautiful cruise ship line going from there. So I was talking about cancer. Now, various herbs which can be useful for cancer. Curcumin is called haridra or haldi in India, Ayurveda. Curcumin is one of the wonderful magics of Ayurveda, which can be very good for treatment of all type of inflammations and cancers. So cancer can be stopped, the spreading of cancer and the mitotic activity in the cancer cells can be reduced by using the curcumin capsules. Curcumin 95% is more effective, and it is one of the things. And combination of various Ayurvedic classical metal-based medicines like Swarna Bhasma, Hirak Bhasma, Cancer Gaj Kesri Ras, and according to various type of cancer, we choose which Bhasma to be used. We use the metal-based metal and minerals, combine them together in various cancers, and which are giving wonderful results. Rajat Bhasma is made from silver ash. So this Rajat Bhasma is giving wonderful result in blood cancers. All sort of blood cancers, wonderful. Purval Pishti, Mukta Pishti we give in blood cancers for keeping the system cool. And curcumin, as I told you, Kachanar is a herb which is very good for all kind of lymph node cancers, lymphomas. And Hodgkin lymphomas, or even non-Hodgkin lymphomas. So Kachanar Guggul we give in higher doses, 3 tablets 3 times a day. It's wonderful. And Ashwagandha is very good. Ashwagandha is Indian ginseng. The root is very rich in natural steroids, no side effects and effects of the steroids. So very potent anti-inflammatory herbs like Ashwagandha and curcumin. Basically, cancer is extended form of inflammation. Very strong, very exaggerated inflammation. That is cancer. So we need strong anti-inflammatory agents, which breaks the pathogenesis, which stops the inflammatory process and halts the cells to grow into and go into different organs. So in modern medicine, we use steroids, we use immunosuppressants, we use anti-cancer drugs to break this pathology. But in Ayurveda, there are certain other ways, without causing any side effects, without causing any damage to the healthy cells. So we use different herbs. Ashwagandha, as I told you, this tulsi is wonderful for lung cancer. Yeah. Tulsi is very common for cough and flu.
So basically, these herbs permanently cure this condition?
In many cases, I have seen wonderful results. In many cases, they can even cure the cancer patient permanently. So I was talking about the cancers in general. stages and various cases,
Types. Okay.
various types
That's
also. So in general, and diet also has a very important role, because cancer, as everybody knows, it survives on sugar. It spreads more if you take more sugar, if you give more carbohydrate to the body.
Oh.
Better to give natural carbohydrates, natural fruits. Fruits, the absorption of sugar is very slow. And,
Okay.
the quality of sugar is very good and very different. Rather than eating the raw sugar like cakes and pastries and cold drinks, it
Okay.
is better to
Eat fruits.
eat fruits and vegetables. Are all colored things like reds and greens and pinks and
Yellow.
all the vegetables which are colorful, all the fruits which are colorful, they're rich in natural antioxidants. They are very rich in natural proanthocyanidin complexes, which are nature's storehouse of antioxidants.
Oh, that's
So
great.
wonderful. Grapes are very good, plums are very good. All natural fruits are wonderful to fight the cancer.
That's great. Or
Melons are good. Papaya is very good. And
So,
apples are. If
things-
you ask me one thing for cancer, I would say apple. So apple is wonderful. You have
Okay,
to
that's
polish it.
great.
You have to clean it.
yeah, these days that
Nowadays
comes.
they spray it with chemicals. Just wash it with the Trifla powder.
Okay, or hot water if not
Or
available.
simple water. Just wash it. Just scrub it with the Trifla.
Okay.
You know, this Vara Churna, this powder. Just
This
take
can be used.
Trifla powder. 3 herbs fruit powder. There are 3 fruits. This Haritki, Bibitki and Amalaki. The fruit of these, the powder of these 3 fruits, we use as a scrub also.
Okay.
And we eat also as antioxidant, which it clears away the pesticides.
That's
So
great.
you can just wash it, all the fruits and vegetables with Trifla powder and clean them and get rid of the toxins, and then you consume the fruits and vegetables.
That's very great, and I think this will be very helpful for the viewers.
Yeah.
And
Aloe vera juice also very. There are so many herbs coming in my mind.
so basically,
Amla, aloe
Ayurveda
vera,
have a lot
so
of
many things.
things for
Yeah.
cancer patients.
So many things. Must be used. Wheatgrass is there. Wheatgrass powder is there. Juice is there. So many wonderful. All should be. Chyawanprash is there. Mixed herbal jam made from about 50 herbs. So all should be given along. Even if you are undertaking chemotherapy, even if you are undergoing radiotherapy or any other ongoing treatment for cancer, you can take these herbs.
Even after surgery, one can use it.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
So all these herbs they help the body to fight the cancer cells in a proper way.
That's very
And
nice.
of course, this breathing exercises in the morning, giving
Yoga.
your body oxygen is very important. All these things.
So, Dr. Vikram, this is really very nice of you that you shared so much to our viewers. And viewers, I just want to say, just visit planetayurveda.com or write to Dr. Vikram for more information.
Thank you.